What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Aviators. Woodworking. I suck at it. I mean big time. But I'm making some progress on these floorboards, and I'm going to kind of show you what I'm doing. So let's just get right to it. All right, so what I've done here is made templates of the pieces that I'm going to cut out. And there they are. I've gone ahead and planed this wood using that DeWalt planer right there. I've made a complete mess of the hanger. And now what I'm going to do is cut that back line out. It's easier to plane if you have a bigger piece of wood, so that's kind of what I'm doing there. And then when I get this all to one uniform thickness, probably between 1/4 and 1/2 inch. I want it a little bit thicker than it was before, and that'll be good. And then this back, I'm going to leave it that thickness, the kind of just a little under 1 inch, because it's going to sit on that lip that I showed you in the last video. So overall, pretty happy. Don't like woodworking, but we'll keep going. All right, I'll keep you guys up to date. All right, so here I've got the template cut out, and now it's off to planing, and this is a loud and messy thing, but I'm going to plane that down. It's about just under 1 inch right now. I'm going to take off 1/2 inch, and I'll do it on either side. So look at this mess. Ugh. Did I mention I'm not good at woodworking and I don't really like it? Anyways, here's the front of the floorboard, and you can see there, even though I put this thing in a vacuum bag, some of the seams between the walnut and the oak, I could see daylight through them. So went ahead and I'm going to stop on this piece for right now, let that epoxy harden up, and start on the second piece. But all those areas are the areas I got to cut out, and then I'll go over and try to fit this thing. So in an effort to get this epoxy to harden up so I don't have to wait 24 hours for it to cure, I'm going to put the heat on it and leave it here and go work on the other one. Okay, so here's this one ready to be cut. It's a lot easier than the other one, so I'm going to go ahead and zip this out real quick and then go try and test fit it. Well, here's where I ended up tonight. Been working at it for about 8-9 hours. So what's left to do here is that far front piece, the piece that's still under the heat. But everything fits really, really, really well. I've got to run a router along the front edge of this to smooth that out and do some sanding here. Then it'll get its finished coat of epoxy and be all good. I really like the way it's turning out. Look at this mess I got to clean up. Ugh. Oh well. So it's been a good day. I don't particularly care for wood, and I'm not very good at it, and so I'll be glad when this little project's over. But anyways, I'm going to clean up and head out. And you know, if you like this sort of thing, like, subscribe, comment. I'll probably finish this up tomorrow in terms of getting everything fitted, put the first coats of epoxy on, and be done with it. So all right, well, thanks for watching.